Historically low interest rates. Let me say that again. Can I scream into the phone? Historically low interest rates. What does that mean for you? Hang tight to the end of the video. I'm going to give you all the scoop. Hey guys. So I'm apologizing about the sound from the get-go. It is so beautiful outside that I could not come out and do this video because I wanted to share this topic with you today. And I just could not do without this view. I've got the fountains going in the back, so you kind of hear that a little bit. If we're lucky, the roosters will continue to crow. It is like, I might have said the word wrong, what they do, but it's around 1:30 in the afternoon, and they are just like loud and vibrant. I mean, check out this weather today. And a weenie dog. I mean, how could I not film outside with this? So today's video is going to be mortgage rate update. And what's important is I want you to understand where rates are today and what the differences are and how all this stuff works, because rates are so freaking confusing. So stick around to the end because I got your back and I'm going to give you all the scoop. My name is Stephanie Weeks, and this is your one-stop shop for anything and everything mortgage education. I drop new videos every Tuesday and Saturday. Please subscribe to the channel. Give me a like if you enjoy the video. Share it with all of your friends and family. So many people need this information, and it's my passion to share it. Not only did I write the best-selling book, Mortgage Peace, but I've also been recognized in the top 1% of originators in the nation for production several years in a row. There are over 300,000 loan officers to choose from. Yes, rates are historically low. Yes, it may or may not be the best time to refinance. Yes, it's definitely a great time to buy a house since the rates are so low. But what does that mean? What goes into the rate? What rate can you get, right? So the first thing that I want to say is the biggest way to hurt yourself, I guess I would say, would be to just call around a bunch of lenders and say, what's your rate? What's your rate? Because guess what? Before I got into mortgage lending, I did that. And it was really, really dumb because I didn't give them all the information. They didn't ask me all the information. And so I was never one time quoted the accurate rate. Right now, I have seen rates available as low as 2% interest on a mortgage. And that's a fixed rate. Yes, I said that right. As low as 2% on a mortgage. It all depends on, are you buying or refinancing? Are you refinancing just a rate and term, which means you're going to get a better rate or maybe change your term or both? Or are you refinancing to take cash out to consolidate debt or maybe pay off a second mortgage and combine it with the first mortgage? Because that all makes a difference. What's your loan type? Is it conventional, FHA, VA, RD? Because that makes a difference. What is your credit score? If you're a 739 versus a 740, guess what? Different rates are going to be quoted because it's different brackets. It's so case by case. Another example would be, is it your primary home? Is it your secondary home? Is it your investment property? Is it a condo? That makes a difference. Is it a 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit? Because that makes a difference. What term are you going with? You know, there's not just 15 and 30. There's 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30-year terms to choose from. So that is also going to make a difference. Another difference is, are you buying the rate? Are you paying discount points to get a lower rate? Because that makes a difference too. What is your loan to value? Meaning, how much equity is in the house? On a purchase, are you putting down 3%, 5%, 10%, 3.5%? Nothing? Guess what I'm going to say? That makes a difference. Are you refinancing and you have 20% equity left in the home, 5%, 10%, 50%? Can you guess what I'm going to say? Because it makes a difference. So, to sum it up, check out the rates, see what your scenario might be, and get an accurate rate quote. So hopefully now you know better. And when you're looking at rates, you're going to get an accurate quote and tell them exactly what your scenario is and or what you think it is and or what you're shooting for. That way you get a rate that you might actually qualify for. Applied knowledge is power. power. Good luck, guys. My download for you today is going to be Best Mortgage Analyzation. Let me say that again. Best Mortgage Analyzation. It's just a little bitty cheat sheet or reference thing for you to use to try to figure out what might be the best mortgage for you. Today's topic is rates, right? But rates are affected by so many things, including the type of mortgage that you choose. Let's connect on social. My Instagram is _the_real Stephanie Weeks, and my website is stephanieweeks.com. Great to see you today.